What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Floki. Wanted to do an update. I mean, some of you in the comments said that I had not covered Floki in a long time. And you're right, alright. And I look at Floki quite often. I think it's one of the best meme coins to invest in. But no, I mean, the thing is that purely technically just not a lot has happened. I mean, other coins like WIF, like Dogecoin, like Shiba, personally, I found those more interesting. All right, so I don't dislike Floki now all of a sudden. And yesterday we actually did get quite a lot of momentum. But that's kind of the reasoning for why I didn't cover it. In this video, we'll do a full cover. I'll tell you what I think. I'll tell you what to expect. I'll tell you what to look at, etc. But that's just kind of the reasoning behind it. But welcome back if you only watch my Floki videos. I hope you had a great week. For now, let's focus on Floki. And the thing is with Floki is that it's very mixed, all right? Because like I said, and I really do mean that. I don't say that with every meme coin. And if you look at old videos of me on Floki, I also said it. I think Floki, if you look at the team and what they're actually doing with the project, I think they are closest to a meme coin project actually becoming something real. Which is both bullish and bearish, because sometimes the appeal of a meme coin being nothing and it just being a meme coin means something as well. But Floki is actually developing things. They have a real team. They're actually developing into popular narratives, etc. So that I like a lot. And then it's also backed by parties like DWF Labs, which is also bullish. So that's long term. On the short term though, Bitcoin first of all is not looking amazing, which I do think you need at least a relatively bullish Bitcoin for a bullish meme coin season. And then if you look at the open interest, if you look at the momentum for Floki, it's if it can load, but you could already see it very briefly, I believe. If you look at this, it's a bit crazy, all right? And that's also partially due to the affiliation with DWF Labs. But there's just a huge surge in open interest right here, and a very big divergence. You can see the open interest is much higher, while the price is at the same levels. So that's I wouldn't say that that's worrying per se, but I do think that that's you just should be prepared for some more volatility for Floki. And since then, the momentum has been dropping down quite a bit, but that's together with the market. I mean, yesterday evening, Bitcoin started bleeding down a bit, and that's also what Floki is suffering from. But that's why I'm telling you it's mixed, all right? That huge increase in open interest, that could be very bullish, could also be bearish. Bitcoin right here looks a bit bearish, but that could turn bullish in a matter of an hour. So personally, the way I look at Floki right now is you can actually quite easily distinguish two major key levels. And that's 21,000 down here and 26,000 up here, which is also where after the momentum gain yesterday, we found resistance. So purely technically, what I would tell you is wait for one of those two levels to break, all right? Because what we have been doing so far, and until we get that break, we're just consolidating down here. All right, and if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I would say I think it's more likely Bitcoin is going to be bullish. I think the open interest increase for Floki is more bullish than bearish. You can also see the CVD right here is positive, so that means that there's more buying than selling. And you can also see that even though this is a consolidation, there's a slight bullish bias in that if you look at the EMAs right here in the middle. So I think a bullish breakout is most likely, just to be completely honest with you. But the thing is that due to the market circumstances, and with a bullish breakout, I mean something like this. So breakout above 26,000, retest, continuation up to the previous tops at 30 and 31,000. So I think that's most likely, but due to the circumstances, it's just too risky to trade that right now. All right. So that's what I think about Floki right now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.